Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about automotive diagnostic tools out there, the FOXWELL NT809. Whether you're a DIY car enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this device promises to take your diagnostics game to the next level. So, let's find out if it really lives up to the hype. The NT809 is a full system diagnostic scan tool from FOXWELL, designed to work with OBD2 compatible vehicles and support up to 28 service functions. It's powered by Android 9.0, featuring a 7-inch HD touchscreen, a quad-core processor, and 32 GB of internal storage. In short, it's built for both speed and reliability, giving you professional-level diagnostics without needing a full workshop setup. Let's go over what makes the NT809 so powerful. All system diagnosis. Read and clear fault codes from all electronic control modules to accurately identify vehicle issues. This includes systems such as ABS, engine, SRS, BMS, audio, headlamp, AC, IMO, door lock, and more. With a car diagnostic scanner, you can efficiently perform comprehensive diagnostics, ensuring precise troubleshooting and effective maintenance. Oil light reset, ABS bleeding, battery matching, DPF regeneration, SAS calibration, injector coating, EPB reset, throttle position sensor, TPS, reset, airbag ECU module replacement, seat calibration, AF ratio reset, language setting, TPMS reset, EGR adaptation, headlamp calibration, instrument cluster, and window door function tests. After replacing the engine oil, reset the oil life reminder, oil service light, to ensure accurate monitoring of oil quality. This prevents potential engine damage from impurities and enables the vehicle to recalculate the optimal oil change interval based on driving habits and environmental conditions. The steering wheel angle sensor function helps clear stored fault codes related to the sensor and is essential for accurate steering angle sensor calibration. Includes deactivating and activating the brake control system, assisting in brake fluid management, opening and closing brake pads, and resetting the brakes after disc or pad replacement, among other functions. And support multiple languages like Korea, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Swedish, English, Dutch, Japanese, Italian, German, Russian, Hungarian, Slovak, Greek. So, is the FOXWELL NT809 worth it? Absolutely. If you're after a smart, powerful, and easy-to-use scanner for everyday diagnostics, this one's a solid pick. Drop your questions in the comments below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more car tech reviews and tool demos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.